In this video, I will show you how you can send your LinkedIn lead generation form leads on Microsoft Teams channel automatically. So assume that I'm running ads on LinkedIn for which I have created a LinkedIn lead generation form. Now, whenever a new lead is captured via that form, I would like to send those lead details automatically with my team so that they will aware of every single lead captured via our LinkedIn ads. So if you also want to set this automation in LinkedIn lead generation form and Microsoft Teams, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Now to automate this process, I'll have to first build an integration in both the applications, okay? And I am going to integrate these two with the Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. And since I'm an existing user, you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as send LinkedIn lead generation form leads on Microsoft Teams. Okay, now click on create and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation in this trigger and the action window. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new lead is generated via your LinkedIn lead generation form application, then automatically send those leads to your team on Microsoft Teams application. So I have selected both the application in the trigger and the action window, and here we have this Microsoft Teams application. Okay, and now the idea here is I'm going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is whenever a new lead generation form response is received, this automation should trigger. So that is why I have selected the same. Now click on this connect button, then directly click on add new connection, click on connect with LinkedIn lead generation form, and then you will have to provide the access of your LinkedIn account. I have provided this access multiple times. Okay, so I can use the existing connection also. Okay, so I have selected the same, clicking on save, and this is how my LinkedIn account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. You can also go with the existing connection if in the first time you have already built the connection, you have already provided the access. Okay, and here you can notice the same account via which I am already logged in is visible here. You can notice Naveen Kole. Okay, let me show you the same account, that is Naveen Kole. And in the lead generation form also, whatever the forms I have created inside my account have started visible here. Let me show you and which particular form I am going to select here. Okay, so let me show you, these are several LinkedIn lead generation form. Okay, and I am going to select which form. Okay, so firstly I will show you the advertisement which I am running. Basically I'm not running any live ads, but this is just into the draft mode. Okay, so this is the campaign group name, which is Pabbly Connect, and in this group I have created a campaign with the lead generation name. Okay, and here exactly you can find 2 advertisement. Okay, this is one advertisement and this is another advertisement, and here you can notice both the advertisement are actually into the draft mode. Okay, so if I will edit this ad in front of you, okay, so where is the edit button? Let me show you. Alright, so here you can notice if I will edit this form, edit this advertisement in front of you, you will notice that which particular lead generation form I have associated. I will show you that form. Okay, and then we are going to select the same form. Okay, so when you will scroll down, you will find an option of the form details, and with this particular advertisement, sample lead generation form, this particular form is associated. Okay, so I am going to select the same into my Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, so I have come back here, this is my dashboard, and here you can notice the same form is visible at the top only. Okay, so I have selected the same, and as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. No, it has not waited for the response, it has generated a blank response. Now why it is giving me a blank response? Because currently there is no such data available into my form. Okay, so what lead information it is going to send me? Okay, so firstly I will have to submit my LinkedIn lead generation form, and after that I am going to click on this button, and then you will notice how the lead details will be captured via Pabbly Connect as a response. Okay, so this is my advertisement. Okay, assume that the user has just landed on this ad, and this is about looking to hire a digital marketing expert for your business. Fill the form below and we will contact you shortly. And we offer SEO and digital marketing services to the companies. Do you want to increase the traffic and your search engine ranking? Okay, so assume that user is really interested in increasing the traffic of his website, so that is why he is going to click on this apply now button, and this is how our LinkedIn lead generation form will be open up. Okay, and as a user I am going to submit this LinkedIn lead generation form with some dummy data. Okay, so let me add the dummy email address, that is demo@pabblytudes.com. okay, asking for the phone number. So again I am going to provide a dummy phone number, a 10-digit phone number. Alright, so I have provided the same, and in the first name, last name and the company details, well, I don't need to fill these details because my form has taken the default values from its account, from its page. So let me again take you to my LinkedIn account. This was the advertisement section. Okay, let me directly click on this ad group, and firstly I am going to open this ad in front of you. Okay, and when I will edit my account, okay, this is the option. I am going to click on this view profile, and then I am going to edit my profile. You will notice that in my profile, as the first name and as the last name and as the company name, few details are already provided, and since I am not running any live ads, so my form is taking these default values from this account only. Okay, so here you can notice as the first name, this Pabbly and the subscription billing management service, these details are already filled. Okay, so that is why my form is taking these default values. Okay, but assume that you are running some live advertisement, so in that case it is not going to capture the default value. Whatever the lead will capture, basically it is going to provide that particular data, not this dummy data. Okay, so finally I am going to submit this form with some dummy data in front of you, and after the submission I will click on this button once again, and this time you will notice that in the response the same details will be captured. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the name of the form. Alright, here we have the email address of the person. It is the same email address which we have provided at the time of form submission. We have the same phone number as well, and remember we have provided some default value as the first name and the last name and the company name. Okay, so we have the exact data, the same data. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our LinkedIn lead generation form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time someone is going to submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Basically the trigger here is the polling base, which is going to fetch the data in every 10 minutes. Okay, and once the data is captured, what should be the next step? So basically it should send the lead data to Microsoft Teams application, basically to your team. Okay, so that is why I am going to select this send message in our channel, and just like I have connected LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect Microsoft Teams and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so again you will have to go with the new connection and click on this button, and after that you will have to provide the access of your Microsoft Teams account. Okay, so I'll wait for that. Alright, so since I am already logged in into my Microsoft Teams application, instead of asking me the credentials, it is asking me for the permission only, and as soon as I provide the permission, you will notice that the authorization will be successful and Microsoft Teams application account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. So here you can notice it is connected, and since we are connected, whatever the teams, whatever the channels I have created inside my Microsoft Teams account have started visible here. Let me show you the same. Here you can notice I have created 5 teams, 1 2 no, these are actually not 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and the same teams are visible here. So assume that me and my team is working on this Pabbly Connect channel, Pabbly Connect team, and that too in this Pabbly team. Okay, okay, and I would like to send the lead data here exactly. So that is why I am going to select the same channel, that is Pabbly Connect. And in this channel also, basically I have firstly selected the team, and further I am going to select the channel. And as I have shown you, in this Pabbly Connect team I have selected the channel as Pabbly team. Okay, so let me select the same, and from here exactly you can compose your message which you would like to send to your team. Okay, so basically I would like to send the lead data. Okay, so firstly I will write something like, hello team members, a new lead has just got captured via LinkedIn ads, or I can also write via LinkedIn lead generation form. Okay, lead generation form. Details of leads are as follows. Okay, and here I'm going to provide the details one by one. Basically I'm going to share the details. Okay, so firstly I want that the name of the person should be shared, and remember we have just captured our LinkedIn data, which I don't need to manually copy and paste it here. Okay, I am going to map this data, and mapping is very simple. You just need to click on this field and you will find the same data of the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so let me search for the first name. Okay, so here we have the first name as Pabbly. After that I am going to map the number of the person. Okay, so let me also search for the phone number of the person, which was something 96666. I'm also going to attach the email. Basically I'm going to map the email address. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again in front of you. Okay, so whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time, and whatever the details I am providing here manually, these details will remain same. Okay, let me also map this last name. Okay, and the last thing left is the company name. Okay, I have collected only few data, only 4 to 5 details via my form, so that is why I have few details only. But again it is completely up to you that what information you would like to collect from your users, and then you can send that information with your team. Okay, so lastly I am going to map the company name, which was Magnet Paints. Okay, so I think I have provided all the data, and as I have told you, the details which I have provided manually will remain same. The details which I have provided with the mapping is going to change automatically. Okay, so that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Let me also correct this last name. Okay, because I have mapped this value at the wrong place. Okay, I have also corrected the spelling. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and now I will wait for the response to receive. And as soon as the response is received here into the Pabbly Connect, I can expect that the message has been sent. Here you can notice the message has been sent. Basically the response is received, and yes, into our Microsoft Teams application the same message is arrived. Let me show you the details. Hello team members, a new lead has just got captured via LinkedIn ads or LinkedIn lead generation form. Details of leads are as follows: the name, the last name, the number, the email, and the company. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to submit your LinkedIn lead generation form, those leads will be immediately sent to our team on Microsoft Teams channel automatically. And for that you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation, I will also attach this link into my description box. So you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.